If you want to film overhead shots with your camera or your smartphone, you better stick around because I'll show you how. Overhead shots like these that can be used for teaching your kids academic subjects, showing your design work, which may include drawing or coloring or painting or whatever else you do, DIYing or do-it-yourselfing, if that's an actual term. Basically, whichever job requires you to teach or instruct others. So in this video, I'll show you everything that you need to make this happen, specifically using an iPhone, but you can use pretty much any camera or any smartphone that you want. But in this video, I'll be using an iPhone. Thanks. A monitor desk mount with all the accessories inside the box, and it's by a company called Suptek. Basically, it's this: an extension arm to attach your monitor to, and it comes with all the accessories like this faceplate, which you don't need. An extra long pole to attach the monitor extension arm to, a mobile phone tripod adapter that holds your smartphone that again attaches to the monitor extension arm. Note, this adapter has two ports, a 1/4 inch port and a 3/8 inch port, and this is the one that we need. Obviously, you'd need a smartphone, and for this, I'm using an iPhone. An app called Filmic Pro. It's an app that has so many more features than your standard smartphone camera. It's amazing. A lightning or USB cable depending on if you're using an iOS or Android device. A microphone to record all your audio. I'm using a cheap USB lavalier mic I bought off Amazon, and I'm using it right now in this video. All links are in the description below. A laptop that will let you see the footage that you're filming to frame it before you hit record. Attach the pole module to your table or desk using the clamps. Make sure they are fully tightened to avoid things toppling over and breaking. Slide the monitor mount onto the pole and tighten it with an Allen key. Remove the VESA monitor faceplate to reveal the 3/8 inch thread that will screw into the mobile phone tripod adapter that also has a 3/8 inch port to screw the monitor arm thread into. Position this adapter depending on the size of your desk or table. Insert your phone in and make sure you download the Filmic Pro app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on which phone you have. Connect the lightning cable for your smartphone to your laptop. Play around with the app as it's easy and very intuitive. And you might as well connect your microphone to your laptop. If you place anything on a surface that doesn't have some kind of grip, you'll definitely experience this where your book or your sketchpad is sliding all over the place and you're constantly trying to grab it and save it. So the perfect thing that I've found to fix this are these. Hold on, I'll explain. They are anti-slip card dash mounts that I'm going to place under the book now, but let me first take off the plastic covers. The main purpose of these sticky pads are to maybe hold your phone or any paperwork in your car. So let me lift up this book to show you that it works in these situations too. So I just place the sticky pad underneath my book or sketchpad and then press down on it so it holds the book firmly in place. I don't want this book to go anywhere, as you can tell. And now let me go back to the main video to show you how you record everything into QuickTime. So once I'm happy with the way that my table or my desk looks, I am ready to record it using QuickTime. So in QuickTime, I'll go to the File menu and select New Movie Recording. And this will bring up a window to show me exactly what my iPhone is trying to film or frame. And don't worry, it's not trying to film a black screen. I need to select my iPhone, which is this down arrow here. And there's my iPhone. So if I select that, now I'll get a new window to show me what my iPhone is seeing. As you can see, my hand is there. So that's all good. So I can select my USB mic in the same way. So if I click on that, my audio is now being recorded using my USB mic. But I'm not too happy with these reticles. I don't want them to show up in QuickTime when I record. So I can get rid of them. And I'll show you how to do that next. I don't want to record all these overlays on Filmic Pro in QuickTime, so I can disable them by clicking on the cogwheel, selecting device, and then scrolling down to tap to hide interface and just enable that. And I can go one step further by hiding the focus and exposure reticles so you see basically nothing on screen. And that's done by clicking on the hide reticles with interface. Then I just tap on the screen and just tap on the screen again to make them disappear. There are so many in-depth tutorials about this app online and on their site, so you should check them out. I've tried so many different methods to mount a camera overhead. I've tried the whole zigzaggy microphone arm type of thing where you attach the camera to the end of the arm. And I've also used the center column thing where the center column comes out of the tripod and you position that and kind of weight it and stuff. And that's more trouble than it's worth. This method that I'm showing you in this video is probably the easiest and the best I've used. And that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Leave your comments down below and let me know how you get on with this setup. And whilst you're there, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.